Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin. 老板多少钱 How much is this?
条價幾多錢？
條價幾多錢 If you tune into our We Love Hakka this entire month, you hear us repeat this over and over again because we want you to remember it. How to say how much is this when you go buy stuff anywhere, all right? 條價幾多錢所以今天呢，我们去逛百货公司好了。
好，
尤其百货公司有周年庆，
而且还有送东西，
还会有赠品。对，there's a lot of promotions that take place at department stores. You know, sometimes it's discounts, sometimes they have free giveaways. So let's teach you how to say things associated with shopping at a department store. Okay, 我们去百货公司是怎么说？
百貨公司。
百貨公司。By the way, 百貨。百貨 that means 100 items, but in general it means department store. So 百貨公司 is a department store. 那有打折才会很想去，对不对？
对。
所以打折 discount 怎么说？
大赞。
大赞。Then there are free giveaways. 有所谓的赠品有时候这些赠品还不错，对不对？How do you say that?
赠品。
赠品 Okay, that's a free giveaway.And then when you go to a department store, there are so many floors. 其实去百货公司如果不常去真的会到底什么东西在几楼都不知道。
对啊，会搞混。
你有时候就会问，这几楼有什么？几楼有什么？
对。
How do you say which floor has what, right? So which floor 几楼？
哪一层樓？
哪一层樓？哪就是哪一个楼层就对了。
哪一个楼层？
哪一层樓 ？OK， 樓其实就是楼 means floor, right?
错。好，那海陆腔的几楼？哪一层樓？
哪一層樓 ？Okay, that's a different dialect. Now let's make a sentence out of this. 我们现在就问比较实际的问题，都会问，就是说现在有打折吗？Is there a discount going on right now? Let's teach you how to ask that. All right?
呀哈有打折嗎？
呀哈有打折嗎？打折 again is 打折 discount. 呀哈 means 现在 right right now.
有打折嗎？
有打折嗎 That means is there a discount right now? Very good. Let's review all these terms again. 打折 a discount.
打折。
打折 and then a free giveaway 赠品。赠品 and which floor 几楼？
哪一层樓？
哪一層樓 And don't forget, just to say how much is this? 老闆多少錢？
條價幾多錢？
條價幾多錢 And there you go, another edition of our Practical Hakka on FM 100.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.